Hi everyone, get this shape from cardboard and put earbuds on the top of it. We are going to make the eyes. Here we are making snails. So paste this cone on the top of it and look, your snails are ready. Let's make this fun craft. So take a Gingo Leaf and tear it from its sides, flip it and put it inside like we are doing here, and look, it's done. We are going to make a beautiful artwork using this dry leaf. So cut it and paste it on this white sheet of paper. Now start drawing. We are going to draw a beautiful girl standing under the rain. We are drawing the rain droplets like this, and look, your artwork is ready. We are going to make this beautiful multicolor wristband. So cut a circle from cardboard, draw lines on it, cut it. Now we are going to take these colorful yarns, put all of them like we are doing here. Now we are going to braid all of them. Look, it is very easy. Now you have to remove the colorful yarns like this. Again and again remove it, tie a knot like we are doing here. Finally it is ready. You can gift it to your friend. Draw a circle on this cardboard. We are going to draw a line here. So draw its tail, its eyes, its nose using black marker. After this we are going to make holes on the top of it and put beautiful flowers and make the mane of the line, and it's done. Look at this finger spinner. Let's make it. For that we are going to remove the bottle cap, make hole on it and put all of them together. Here we are using 4 bottle caps. Put clay inside it, put a straw, and we are also using this pen. Bend it like this and look, it's ready. Put this Colgate inside this ball and tie knot like this. Squeeze it and we are going to cover it using this net. And look at this, your fun stress fidget ball is ready, but be careful, it can remove it like this. Take this toilet paper roll, squeeze it and draw lines on it. Here we are going to make reindeers. So we are going to twist the ears like this and put it like we are doing here. Now color it. We are doing brown color, paste eyes and nose, and look, your reindeers are ready. Remove the walnut shell like this and color it red. Here we are going to make Ladybug. So we are going to make the black dots, paste its eyes, and look, your ladybugs are ready. Take a bottle cap and fill it with this clay. Now we are going to draw penguins. So draw the shape on this white sheet of paper, cut it, color it like we are doing here, black color, paste its eyes, paste it on the top of this bottle, and look, your moving penguins are ready. We are going to make leaf art. So cut this leaf. We are going to paste this girl figure on the top of it. Here we are making beautiful dress for this girl using these dry leaves. So paste all the leaves like this. First we are making the top, then the dress of the girl like this. We're also pasting the star on the top of it, and look, your beautiful girl with this beautiful dress is ready. Take this leaf and make the hair of the girl. Put the head inside, paste it on the sheet of paper. With the help of Gingo leaves, you are making its skirt and top. Paste all of them together, paste beautiful stars around it, and your girl is ready. Pick some pine cones. We are going to color it like this. We are doing yellow color here. So take this green craft paper, cut it, cut a shape of leaf like this. We are going to curl all of them like this. Now roll it and we are going to put it on the top of this cone, and look, your pineapple shape is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.